Hey, this is Tony at DIY All Day. Today we're going to be unclogging a shower drain. As you can see here, the water is standing in the tub, not draining quickly at all. All right, we had a few problems there, but we're back on track, getting the snake down in the drain. Usually only have to go a couple feet through the P-trap where you can find the clog. Pull it back out, and you can see the gift that was down in the drain, a big ball of hair. Even with a hair trap on the drain cover, this shower definitely still got some hair in it. So it's as easy as that. Get a snake, shove it down the shower drain, and you should be able to save yourself a hefty plumbing bill. Thank you so much. This is Tony, DIY All Day. For more videos, visit us at DIYallday.com. Thank you.